For the first time in history, we aren't just seeing a supernova or a fleeting flare. We are witnessing the awakening of a cosmic monster that has been dormant for over 100 million years. This event is shattering our fundamental understanding of how galaxies work. This isn't just news, it's the dawn of a new astrophysics. Today you'll see why this cosmic alarm clock is a warning for the entire universe. To astronomers, SDSS 1335 plus 0728 was just another dot on a star map, an elderly galaxy that had lived its life and fallen asleep. Science was certain. Supermassive black holes in such galaxies were dead relics that would never wake up. It was an axiom, as solid as gravity itself. But the universe had a different plan. It was a routine day at the observatory until the automated systems triggered an alert. The luminosity of SDSS 13 suddenly skyrocketed. At first, scientists thought it was an instrument glitch. Then, perhaps a single dying star. No, when the glow refused to fade after months, and then years, the terrifying truth emerged. We weren't seeing an explosion. We were watching a titan open its eyes. We pointed Hubble at it, and the ultraviolet data was chilling. This wasn't a temporary spike. It was a massive, sustained torrent of radiation, proving the black hole had begun to feed on surrounding gas. And it isn't stopping. We are watching the formation of an accretion disk heating up to millions of degrees. It's as if a dormant desert suddenly erupted with a geyser of molten sun. James Webb, our cosmic detective, has done it again. While other telescopes saw only a blur of light, Webb pierced through the cosmic dust to show us the anatomy of an awakening. We didn't just see a glow, we saw the feast. We watched gas clouds, silent for eons, suddenly accelerate and vanish into the abyss. It's like catching a predator finally emerging from the shadows. This is where science meets pure shock. We used to think the universe evolved at a snail's pace, but this awakening proves that the cosmos can transform in an instant. It's like watching a forest grow in an hour. It forces us to ask a terrifying question. Do we truly understand how fast the early universe evolved? Could the Big Bang Theory be just a fragment of a much more violent and dynamic story? Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending discoveries. We look at SDSS and think, I'm glad that's far away. No, could this happen here, in our own Milky Way? Right now, our supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A star, is a sleeping giant, consuming only tiny scraps. But the universe just proved that everything can change in months. If our own monster woke up, it wouldn't destroy Earth. We are too far, but our night sky would be altered forever. This is a reminder, the universe is not static, and we are merely temporary spectators on this unpredictable cosmic stage. The awakening in SDSS 13 is more than just a headline. It's the start of a new era. We've watched the cosmos break its own rules. We now know the universe is far more volatile than we ever dared to imagine. We are only at the threshold of this mystery. Ahead lie new observations from Webb and Hubble, and perhaps even more shocking conclusions that will rewrite science once again. And we'll be here to walk you through every step. Thank you for joining this cosmic journey. Subscribe so you don't miss the next revelation from the deep. See you next time.